Editing of fixed text of QR codes and barcodes. Press and hold Edit File. Delete existing content. Click the QR code icon. Click Advanced. We can modify the type, size, zoom, etc. of the QR code here. Here you can choose whether to display text content. The text content can be edited here. This is selection of data mode. Selected Standard by default. For general, you can adjust the position and rotation angle. We can also edit internal variable data. Click Time. Select QR code. In the Advanced option, open internal data. Then select Timeline. Click Add. Variable data is ready. Then for General, set font size to 0. Hide time information. Then click OK. Return to the home page. This QR code will change over time. Here we can scan it with our mobile phone to see the content of the QR code.